Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. All right, so you can see we've gone from a larger move higher to kind of a slow consolidating-ish drip to the upside that's had a tough time doing anything above round number 4,400. The story's really on the hourly chart where you can see we've had this long consolidation. It moved up a little bit yesterday. Mid-morning. All it really did was it shifted up here and it's become a different shelf. Higher. So you got a shelf, little move, shelf. And I will reiterate what I said yesterday, and I'll reiterate what I said last night on the subscriber premium webcast, which was the longer we hang around up here, the more potential there is that we're going to lift higher. Unless you get a piece of news that's going to knock it down. But in a vacuum, this is working off any overbought condition that there was from the move off the lows. And you are consolidating, you're doing a multi-day consolidation above just about every key moving average and pivot on the board. Now, what I will say out of the other side of my mouth is, we've done this before. It wasn't as brutal as this because the candles were wider, but we hung around up here, mid-October for, 5-6 sessions. Then they brought it back down. So really what the bulls have to do is they're going to have to affect a paradigm shift in this tape that we haven't seen, all through the summer and through the fall. You've seen move down, lift up, consolidate, drop, up, consolidate, drop, up, consolidate, drop. So what the bulls are trying to do here is consolidate, drop, up, consolidate, and try to go higher. They have to break the pattern. And look, the S&P 500, whether you're trading the minis or whether you're trading indexes or whatever it is you're doing, it gets very habitual, both on the long term and the short term. Okay, you can see on the long term that pattern has been playing out pretty consistently. You've seen 1,000,005 things over the years on the short term. At this certain time, it does something like this, and it does it for a while. You ride it, and then you find something else. My point is, markets get habitual. And the bulls are trying to break a habit that the market's been in for months. That's not easy to do. It's not easy to do. So we'll see how it plays. The best advice I can give you for today is that, look, if it wants to stay in this phone booth, do less. So we had a nice short yesterday, we had a nice long, and then it just kind of, for the vast majority of the afternoon, we weren't in the tape because it was too choppy and whippy, and it was more important for us to keep what we had made. And now we're back on track for the week after a really slow Monday. Not a bad Monday, just a Monday where you really didn't want to trade it. And it's good. So look, if it wants to be volatile, be there. Take your profits where you find them. Don't make too many assumptions. Don't anticipatorily start trading, well, I think it's going to finally break out, or I think it's finally going to break down, and start applying your opinions to price when price is not ready to do what you or anybody else thinks it should do. That's not a factor. It'll go when it's ready. And when it does, there'll be plenty of time and plenty of handles to make, because this consolidation is going to be, we got a very, the spring is being pressed between two hands. And the hands can only handle it for so long. And then boing, expansion. That's a technical term. Don't chew yourself up. Grind down your mental and actual capital before the thing is ready to expand. Don't do it. It's not worth it. Okay. Everybody have a fantastic day. Unfortunately, this is the last webcast this week. I am traveling the next couple of days. We'll pick this up Monday with a webcast. There's still going to be pivots and the chart blog and the commentary all going on over on the Circle site. And as far as premium folks, chat room and everything, that all runs as normal. It's just when I'm traveling, sometimes it's hard to get these done. If I'm in a position where I can get one done, I will. But I don't want to make promises I'm not going to keep. All right, so everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. And I'll see everybody tomorrow morning for the pivots and the chart blog over on Circle. Take care. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.